Okay guys, you're welcome back. Now in this particular play we'll be talking about the portrait. Now this portrait is very interesting too. Okay, so because it actually works on the skin, more or less on the face also. Now for this particular one, it's this pale. It has about 3 functions. 3. Alright, so this first one talks about the skin tones. So this is pale. Just notice this is before, this is after. Now this is fair, this is medium, this is dark. Now so you can see before and after. Alright, it just darken it a bit. So this is pale, you want it to be pale. This is you want it to be fair. This is you want it to be in between, and you want this one to be dark. So maybe we just want to leave it in pale. Now these are options. Now this face spot works for probably we're having spotlights. It brightens the face. Okay, so this let me reduce this face here. So this smoothens the skin, just as the name implies, it smoothens the skin. Notice the face of the lady. Alright, let me just bring in one old image where I have blemishes all over the face of the model in particular. So let's just get one of this one. So please subscribe to my channel if you're new to my channel. Alright, so let's get this over with. Well, I don't know. Okay, let me bring in this. Or like this is too much. It's too much. But let me just bring in a different one. Let me bring in a different one. I don't kind of like that one. It seems to be too much. Like the effects, the blemishes over our skin. Let me bring in this. Now we can see this particular one. It's just giving us a facial expression. So when I come to portrait, now this is just the face in particular, and you can see it brightens up the face. Just brightens up the face. I make it dark, so it brightens up the face. It's face spotlight. Okay, when I now come to skin smoothing, you can see the blemishes over the skin. And the skin is now kind of smooth. Look at, it's very, very smooth. The blemishes has reduced. Then when I come to eye clarity enables me to make the eye of this model very, very clear. Alright, so I'll show you the eye clarity using a different model, but let me show you this. These are, you can see the eye clarity is adjusting. These are templates, presets. You can, in case you don't know how to, presets are just there for you in case you don't know how to play around this particular option and this one. So you can just come here and this preset are a mixture of these two. So they just pick one. You can just use a particular model, see how it works, anyone that works for you. For example, let me just bring in this particular lady and come to portrait, come to let's make it load, come to eye clarity. Now let's go to the eyes of our model. Just pay attention to the eyes. It's kind of, so this is how it is in 0. When I drag it, you see the eyes is now white. Alright, more or less that is all I will just talk about this particular tool. It's not much, but it's very, very interesting. Portrait. Alright, we'll see you in the next video.